Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I have this like pink purple punk skull for you guys. Let's just get right into the tutorial. So starting off, I'm going to put foundation on. This is my Peach Perfect foundation and it's by Too Faced. And then I'm going to set everything with the Too Faced Peach Perfect Mattifying Loose Powder. Make sure everything is really extra set because I want to make sure all the shadows blend easily. Then I'm going in and mapping out my skull with a light eyeshadow. You can't really see it, so you'll be able to see now. This is Petal Pusher from Makeup Geek, and basically this whole look you're going to see me go over the same thing over and over and over again with different shadows. So this is Naked Cherry Palette by Urban Decay, and like I just said, just going over the parts that I had already mapped out. And I just want to say, as a suggestion, if you guys are new to doing skulls, feel your face and, you know, if there's a skull under there. So try and go by where things lie on your face, where your cheekbones are, where your jawbone is. Anyway, this is the Karity matte palette, and I'm taking that pink shade and just going over everything. Now just filling in my brows. This is the Pure Cosmetics Arch Nemisis 4-in-1 Brow Pencil. And then I'm taking my Benefit 3D Brow Tones in Magenta and kind of giving it a little bit of pink on my brows. Then just smudging everything out and then going in with the purple from the Karity Matte Palette and starting to darken everything up. Then this white color really came in handy. I think this palette is amazing if you like to do like bright looks because it has a white, has a black, has a million other colors. It's awesome and it blends so well. I really highly recommend this palette. Not sponsored, I just love it. Just doing my nose, filling it in with pink, then going in with purple. I think that you guys will probably get the gist of it once you see me actually do it. Hopefully I'm not going too fast for you guys or not explaining enough. Sometimes I'm like, am I explaining too much? Probably. Then I'm taking my Wet n Wild Ghostly Beings lipstick and starting to map out my teeth. Now, I'm not like super proud of my teeth in this look. I don't know. They're just like not my favorite I've ever done. But this is how I do them. I map them out with a brush first, and then I go over the top of them and set them so they don't go anywhere. And then I start to fill in the parts in between. And for reference, you can look at where your teeth actually lie. I mean, you know, we are trying to create something similar, so you can do that. Then just setting everything with my Laura Mercier powder and then going back in with the purple shade from the Karity palette. I feel like it's starting to come together. It's starting to look more like a skull and not like weird, like pink all over my face. And basically, I just kind of wanted to smudge everything a little bit, make everything look really blended. And then every time I would smudge a little, I'd go back over the top of it with white. And then I'm kind of pulling the skull up toward my eyebrow. I thought it kind of needed to. Then just taking my Cite London Fierce Flicks liner and starting to go into all of the in-betweens of the teeth. This is kind of where I messed up. Not really. I feel like it's so hard to control liner sometimes. So anyway, this is how I do it. I just go in between. You should just be really careful if you can because teeth can get real messy real fast. And then just drawing kind of the shadows that go above the teeth. And I feel like one of the really key things is what I'm doing here, which is like pulling the back 2 or 3 teeth back into the skull because that makes it look like they're like behind. You know what I'm saying? Now I'm starting to go in with the black and starting to darken everything up. And being really careful not to go overboard with blending on the parts of the skull. I just want the black to be just really concentrated in one place. I didn't want to blend the black out. Then I'm just filling in my like cheek here and leaving a little bit of space in between so it looks a little bit hollow. And then just filling the black in underneath my chin and behind my chin. It's starting to look like a skull. I'm getting happy about it. I think my mistake, actually, I will say this, was doing what I just did, which was covering my teeth in a little bit of purple pink because I thought they just stood out too much. But I would just leave the teeth white if I did it again. Just leave them white. I think they look better white. Anyway, popped on my wig from the hair shop and a Neff beanie, and then brought the pink and purple up a little bit above my eyebrows just to make everything tie in together. Popped on some lashes. Then I'm just filling in the hollows of my chest with the pink and the purple to make everything come together. That's totally optional though. Then I'm taking my whiteout contacts by Camo Eyes, which is where I get all my contacts, and then making sure to kind of go over everything and highlight so things look really 3D. Anyway, that's it for this look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Happy Halloween. I hope you have an amazing, safe Halloween, and I will see you in my next video.